り冷え切ったキス投げただけであなたは消えた素直になれば続いてた愛シーズンオフの海は笑い風が通るわ凍え切ったカモメみたいよ黄昏のベイビーあなたの好きな港が触れてゆく変わった分見えないナイフもつれ合って心が切れたじゃね今頃愛が痛いのあなただけがこの傷口塞げる人よ
Everybody, it is Sunday and it is like 2:30. I did cut my hair. That's something new. But yeah, I'm at H Mart. As you can see, I do need to get some stuff to make lumpia. It's my very first time making lumpia by myself, so I'm like kind of scared, but yeah. I may be calling my mom or my grandma later today, multiple times throughout the day. But anyway, so I just need stuff to get lumpia, to make lumpia. And yeah, so it's kind of a chill day other than that. Probably watch some like anime when I get home as I'm rolling everything up. And I'm excited, but I'm also really scared because, like I said, I've never made lumpia by myself. I always make it with my family. So let's hope that I don't fail the Philippines. I'm literally so excited right now because I found like my favorite lumpia wrappers from my childhood. There's like different ones that I found too, but like the blue one is the one that we would always use. I don't know what the difference between that one and the red one is, but anyways, I'm very excited. We're back in the car. I got everything I needed. I'm very happy. So I'm really excited. I hope everything is enough. I mean, my grandma or my grandpa gave me like measurements, but he said my grandma doesn't really use measurements and that she just knows. So I think I got everything and I'm excited. I'm scared, but I'll be sure to vlog it all for you guys. Well, I can't show you everything because if I show you everything, my family's gonna kill me because it's a family secret recipe, you know? It's like the Krabby Patty formula. But yeah. Alright, you guys, I am home now, and I'm already freaking out, only because I have no idea how to cook cut jicama. So I started peeling it. I tried FaceTiming. I mean, Google exists. I could probably just ask Google, but I tried calling and FaceTiming my mom and my sister and my grandma, which nobody answered. So I'm just gonna continue peeling this. I have my 80s playlist on. PYT is playing right now. It's the vibes. I got some soju, you know. This is probably really dangerous. But yeah, I have no idea how to cut jicama. Am I supposed to be peeling this? I know how to cut it. Like, I know everything is supposed to be like, you know, but I don't know how to do anything else. I am peeling it, right? I'm supposed to peel it. I also want to show you guys my new decor. It's a no face.